Hello and welcome back. Okay, so you should have now solved a couple of these problems. Now, here's the next one for our review. I can use order of operation rules to solve number sentences. So this was actually last week, and so there's a video recording of me showing you how to do orders of operation. So you guys could, if you wanted to, go back, rewatch those videos, make sure that you're comfortable with it. I'm going to show you how to solve this one, and then there's another one for you to practice, but you've already done it. So if you feel like you did it correctly the first time, then you wouldn't necessarily have to do it all over again. So this one is blank equals 11 minus 3 times 3. Now with my orders of operation, I know that there are no parentheses, so I have to go by the rules, and the rules say that I need to do multiplication first. Okay, so this is what I need to do first. So I will pretend like those are in parentheses because I'm only doing that. 3 times 3. So that's 3 groups of 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, and they're each 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So now I have to do 11 minus 9. So 9, 10, 11. 11 minus 9 equals 2. Okay, so that would be my answer for Wednesday. And I think on this one I had shown you guys that I wanted to see each step. So 11 minus 3 times 3, and underline that 3 times 3 because that's what we did first. Then you do 11 minus, make sure that's not underlined. 11 minus 9 equals 2. And then here is your practice problem, which you had earlier this week. So I will give you a hint for this one since you've already done it, is that this 15 divided by 3 needs to happen first. Okay, moving on. I can write number models to fit number stories. Okay, so we had done this in class before we ended up on distant learning. So Adele has 50 stickers to put into 5 gift bags. She wants the same number of stickers in each bag. How many stickers could she put into each bag? Letter and what it represents. Okay, so we're not, well, actually, yeah, let's do the letter first. So Adele has 50 stickers to put into 5 gift bags. She wants the same number of stickers in each bag. So I'm going to put my letter as S, and it equals, I'm not sure yet. Okay, so let me check my chart. All right, so do I know how many gift bags I have? Well, let's see. Adele has 50 stickers to put into 5 gift bags. So yes, I do have that answer. I have 5 gift bags. Now, do I know how many stickers are in each gift bag? Let me see. She wants the same number of stickers in each bag. How many stickers should she put in each bag? So no, this is my unknown. This is what I don't know. So I'm going to put my letter S. Okay. Now, stickers in all, do I know how many stickers she has? Adele has 50 stickers. I know how many stickers she has. She has 50. So this is what I need to do. I need to write a number model that fits this story. Oh, and so my S means stickers per gift bag. Okay? So what is my number model? I have 50 stickers. I'm going to put 5 stickers in each gift bag, and I don't know how many stickers are in each gift bag. So I know that I could do a variety of different things. I could do 50 divided by 5 equals S. Part of the same fact family would be 5 times S equals 50. I'm going to do that because it's in order of my chart. 5 times S equals 50. So my answer, 5 times equals 50. So I can skip count by 5s to get to 50 and see how many that would give me. I could do division and do 50 divided by 5 bags, which is fine. I think what I want to do, and I think the fastest way to do it, would be to skip count by 5s to get to 50 and see how many times I had to skip count by 5 to get to 50. So count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So that is how many groups of 5 I need in order to get to 50. So my answer would be 10. And I'm not done because it wants the unit. And what does this mean is the stickers per gift bag. So 10 stickers per gift bag would be my full answer. Okay? So you guys have a practice problem. There are 48 third graders. The gym teacher groups them into teams of 6. How many teams are there? So this is for you guys to solve as well. This one was fun. We had made those multiplication posters, 6 times 7, 8 times 7, and we had gone around figuring out what ways we could solve each of them. Do you guys remember that? I think you guys would. So looking at the class poster in the boxes below, record facts that you can solve in each strategy. So what kind of facts can we use by adding a group, right? So let's say I'm trying to find, I know what 5 times 6 is, right? And I'm trying to find maybe 6 times 7. Could I add groups in order to find that? I could. I could add 2 groups to the 5, and that way I am getting to 7 times 6. I could do, I could do adding a group to almost any fact. So if you needed to find out what 3 times 4 is, and you know what 3 times 3 is, you can add another group of 3 to get to 3 times 4. You could also do, I'm trying to stay away from my 5s because I could do any 6 facts, right? Because all I would need to do is just add another group. And 5s are a really good helper fact. So I'm going to do 6 times 7, 6 times 8, and I'm gonna say that's good for now. Okay. Subtracting a group, it's the same thing. So let me say I want to use my 5s, okay? Because that's something I know how to skip count really easily. So what would be a subtraction that I could get any of those answers? Those would be my 4 times tables, right? So I can get 4 times 6 by knowing 5 times 6 and just subtracting a group of 6. So I could also do 4 times 7, 4 times 8. Any of those would be easily done to subtract a group because I could solve it with my 5s. Doubling. Now, we can only use doubling with what? Even numbers. So things like 4 times 8, we could break that up into 2 times 8 and then add them together. 4 times 6, we could break that in half. We could break up the 4 or the 6. It doesn't matter. As long as there is one even number in the fact, you could solve it. The ones that you can't do it are like 9 times 7 because they're both odd numbers. So there has to be at least one even number in it. So I'm going to say anything with an even number. Near squares. One of the only near squares that I think that we have memorized is 5 times 5. Maybe we've got 3 times 3. Definitely have 2 times 2. But those are my squares. Those aren't near squares, right? So what is near 5 times 5 is actually 4 times 5 or 6 times 5. Near 3 times 3 would be like 4 times 3. Near 2 times 2 would be something like 3 times 2. So those would be some strategies that help you solve facts. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense because you guys know a lot of different strategies. Okay. I can solve 2-step number stories. Now, luckily for you guys, these were, once again, something that I've recorded on. I've practiced with you guys. You guys could go back to that video recording. I think that was Mondays of this week. So Monday week 2. And so I'm going to go over these so that way you guys know if you got, well, I'm going to go over this one so that way you know if you did it correctly, and then that way you could practice with this one. So Ronald bought 2 packs of crackers. There are 5 crackers in each pack. Okay, so 2 packs. Five in each pack. He ate some crackers. Now Ronald, oh, now I remember. So 2 packs of crackers with 5 in each pack. I know I'm doing 2 times 5, right? And then he ate some. And now he has 7 crackers. So he has 7 crackers left. What I need to find out is this. How many crackers did he eat, right? So I'm going to put that as a C, right? So my number model will be, in parentheses, my very first thing is going to be the very first part of this problem. Ronald bought 2 packs of crackers. There are 5 crackers in each pack. So I'm going to put that in parentheses, 2 times 5. He ate some. So does that mean that I'm adding more or I'm subtracting? It means that I'm subtracting. So minus C equals 7. Okay, so that's my number model. Now I need to solve my number model. So I'm going to show you how I do that on the HyperCam after I erase. Okay, so the very first thing I do is 2 times 5 because it's the one in parentheses. 2 times 5, so 2 groups of 5 would basically just be 5 plus 5, which is 10. Minus C equals 7. Okay, so how many did he eat in order to have 7 left? So I can count down and see where I had 10. How many did I eat to get to 7? Which is one way to do it. Or I could count up by going, how many do I need from 7 to get to 10? And that's how many I ate. Okay? So, or you could draw it out, whichever way you want to do it. But I know that 10 minus 3 equals 7. So C, how many crackers did he eat, is going to be 3. So my answer is 3 crackers. Okay. So go ahead and practice with this one. I know that this one has a little bit more, more steps. Take it slow, take your time, and go back to that Monday video if you need the extra help. Okay. All right. Now, there's a quizzes! Yay! So this quizzes is kind of long. It is not your math test. This is just some practice, some word problems, some multiplication problems, some division problems. Take your time, do your best. And luckily, Quizzes now has it that we don't have to be live. We don't have to be in the classroom to be able to do this. Oh, and I'm running out of time.